How to set up Spectrum Xumo box. First of all, connect your Spectrum Xumo box to your television using the HDMI cable that came with it. After that, plug the power adapter into the box and connect it to a power outlet. Now turn on your television and switch the input to the HDMI port where your Xumo box is connected. Next, remove the plastic tab from the back of the voice remote to activate the batteries, and simply follow the on-screen instructions to begin setup. Choose your preferred language, then connect to your home Wi-Fi by selecting your network and entering your password. After that, your Xumo box will automatically connect to the internet and install any available updates. The remote should pair automatically through Bluetooth. If it does not, press and hold the 1 and 3 buttons together for 3 seconds. Follow the on-screen directions to finish pairing, so you can control your television's volume and power. Then, link your Spectrum account by visiting the website shown on your TV screen using your phone or computer. Enter the 6-digit code displayed on your television to connect your account. Once linked, follow any remaining instructions to complete the process. After everything is done, the Spectrum app will launch automatically, and you can start streaming your favorite shows and movies. So this is how to set up Spectrum Xumo box. Like and subscribe if this helped.